Hi, this is Catherine Newson. I've got a quick tutorial on how to share a job announcement on IFProfs États-Unis. So what you want to make sure is that you're signed in. You know that you're signed in when you've got your profile picture hopefully up. Okay, then you're going to hit Group. And when you have Group, you want to make sure that you are in the États-Unis group. Okay, there's a difference. And then when you scroll down, you're going to find hours. Okay, there's quite a few of them, and sometimes they're not in alphabetical order, but here it is, Offres d'emploi, job openings. Okay, click on that. Once you've in this, you're just going to give it a quick title. And we usually use ressource brute because it is just a job announcement. It's something we're pushing out. It's not any one of the ressources pédagogiques. And usually what I put in is like full-time French, part-time French. If it's a Spanish job, I usually put in the city and the name of the school in any order. Some people need the state as well, so put that in. Okay, and then in the resume, I put in full-time French, whatever this is, something really quick, because the main information is going to be down here in the text. So I have this email from Eileen. I'm just going to highlight it. Okay, I'm going to put in that much of the text right there. Now, if you already have links, those links are just going to pop up. They're already highlighted. If you need to put in a link, highlight what you want linked, click on the link. You'll need to go to maybe the job application website from the school district and then hit Control V or however you want to paste that in. Okay, but I don't need that. So once that's all set up, you've got all the information in your text, click on Éducation and then Enregistrer. Okay, so once that's all together, your job posting will be located in our group, which I'll find one more time super quick, and anyone will be able to see it. And if you want to add something to another group, let me know. Okay, when you have the Offre d'emploi, each one has its own URL, so once you click on it, you'll be able to see that up here in the